How's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the simple way to pair your Bose 700 headphones to your iPhone. It's actually pretty difficult if you don't do the steps properly, so make sure you follow it carefully. First thing we're going to do is we're going to power on our Bluetooth on our phone, and then we're going to find the power button on these headphones. The power button is located where it says R on the ear pad, and it's the first button that has the Bluetooth indicator on. So we're going to go ahead and click that button, and it's going to turn blue. When it just turns blue, that means it's trying to connect to your headphones. So if you're already previously connected to these headphones, then it'll be able to reconnect your headphones quickly. It's actually looking to do that. And as you can see there, it actually just reconnected to my headphones right there. So I'm going to quickly disconnect so you guys can see how it looks like if we're going to be connecting it for the first time. So when we are in that mode, it's really not going to be doing anything. We're going to have to put it into a pairing mode. So we're going to go ahead and after we hit the power button once, we're going to hit it again and hold it for a couple seconds until the blue light is going to be blinking slowly. When it's blinking slowly and not fast, then you're going to be able to know that you're in a pairing mode. When you are in the pairing mode, you'll see it pop up on the bottom where it says other devices on your iPhone. You're going to quickly just click on the Bose NC 700 headphones because these are the headphones we're pairing. And you're going to see that it's going to connect very quickly and you're good to go. If you don't follow these steps, you're going to just be looking for the headphones the whole time and not finding them. If you just click the power button once and it's going to be blinking blue pretty quickly, it's just looking for your device or any other device. So it's not actually in a pairing mode. You got to make sure you hit the power button once where it says the Bluetooth, you hit it once. It's going to be blinking pretty quick with blue. Give it a second to rest and hold that power button again for about 2 to 3 seconds. You're going to see the blue light blinking slowly. Then it's going to be in pairing mode. You click on it and it's going to go ahead and pair your headphones to your iPhone. Hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach back out to us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.